Hello everyone, we are here in Tirupati CNC Products, Rajkot, and we are with Mr. Jignesh Patel, Director of Tirupati CNC. Hello Mr. Jignesh, how are you?
Hi, I am fine.
Yes.
I am Jignesh from Tirupati CNC Products. This is flatbed CNC lathe machine, big bore, with oil country lathe machine. This is double chuck front and rear. Bore size is 370 mm. 8 station turret. Turret make is Pragati. Controller Fanu. This is oil country lathe machine.
So what is the bore size you can make for this machine?
Yes, this is big bore. Bore size is 370 mm.
And what is your plant capacity of bore? Which kind of?
515.
550.
515 mm bore capacity.
550 mm.
No, 515.
515 bore you can make for this machine.
Yes.
Okay. And what is the total length of this machine?
This machine's minimum length, this is 450, but we have up to 6 meter turning length.
Okay, 6000 mm turning between center you can make for this. Okay. And which controllers you can give also? This is fan hook.
Yes, this is fan hook, but we have alternate Siemens, Mitsubishi, Delta.
Okay, very good. And which kind of chocks you can provide? This is 30 inch by 4 jaw manual dog chuck, right?
Yes.
So you can provide any pneumatic, hydraulic?
Yes, we have pneumatic chuck up to 275 mm bore. Then big bore capacity in manual chuck means 275 mm to 515 diameter, internal diameter. We have manual chuck also.
Okay.
Then, front and rear both available.
Let's go to back side of this machine. So show us everybody that you can install rear chuck also. Show us that rear chuck. Yes.
This rear chuck. Chuck size is 30 inch by 4 jaw manual dog chuck.
Okay. What is the bore of this machine?
370 mm.
Okay, 370 mm big bore machine. Okay. Okay, so from all over the world, you will get inquiry for this big bore machine, oil country lathe, oil and gas machine for flanges, valves, and all that. In this machine, we are having air condition also, control panel, and this is the back side of the machine. And one another thing, Jignesh, can you provide slant bed machine also?
Yes, we have
degree.
Yes, we have 30 and 45 degree both are available in slant bed CNC turning machine up to 5 meter length.
Okay, so this is the I can see on this machine there is, and here is a contact number for Tirupati CNC Products, Rajkot, Gujarat, India. So thank you very much to show us this machine, and we will come back in Edipac, Abu Dhabi. Yes, so we are coming in Abu Dhabi Edipac exhibition on November 1st week, right?
Yes.
3 to 6 November.
3rd November to 6th November.
Okay, let's meet there in Abu Dhabi. Thank you very much.